Yeah, you're right, mate. Keep going. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, you're right, mate. Yeah, you got plenty of room. Just keep going. You'll be all right, mate. Yeah, keep going. Go, keep going. You're right, mate. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, all right, mate. Keep going. Do not trust any bystanders who seem enthusiastic to help, because we don't know them. We can't really rely on what they see and what they're showing us. So, you've got to really use your knowledge. We had a situation where one of our students was taken for the test in Joondalup, where the cops were coming from the opposite direction, who were trying to do the favour to the young learner driver. And the cops were coming from the opposite direction and they were going straight ahead. And the learner driver in the test was turning right and there was no green arrow. And clearly the learner driver, the candidate driver, should have given way to any traffic going straight from the opposite direction. What happened? The police vehicle and the driver gestured to the candidate that they go first because they just felt, they should do him a favour. But look, that's wrong. It doesn't matter who it is. Do not take anyone else's advice when you're driving a car. Use your knowledge, implement it to the best of your ability, and proceed only when it's safe to do so. No negotiation in these particular situations. Never rely on what somebody else is telling you. You've got to make sure that your decisions are based on what you see. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.